If you're looking for best safety helmet, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. Kask Super Plasma Safety Helmet. External shell. ABS/internal shell. HD polystyrene/headband. Soft pond nylon. 2 dry. A quick drying technical fabric that accelerates the dispersion of sweat and moisture to the surface of the helmet padding for a drier, more comfortable wear. Up and down 2.0. Integration of 3 components working together for a comfort fit that adapts and moves as the wearer moves. Number 4. MSA V-Guard Safety Helmet. High quality protection. V-Guard caps are made from high-density polyethylene with a UV inhibitor for superior top impact protection. For use in general industry and manufacturing markets, or those featuring electric/utilities, construction, or oil, gas and petrochemical work. Slotted for accessory use. This high-quality MSA V-Guard helmet comes slotted for use with a variety of MSA accessories. With a collection of 100+ accessories, ranging from sunshades and shields to liners and lamps, your helmet will always be fit for whatever task is at hand. Fast Track 3 Suspension. Designed based on opinions and input from hundreds of customers, our top-end Fast Track 3 suspension functions as an improved ratchet suspension. Flush rear lug attachments eliminate pressure points, and 3 levels of nape strap adjustment give for a fully customized fit. Ratchet comfort pad is contoured to the back of the head, improving airflow and preventing hair pulling. Ensure continued wear with drastically improved comfort and a graspable ratchet. Variety of sizes and colors. Comes available in a large variety of colors and sizes with custom imprinting and striping options. With custom logo options and any of 27+ different reflective and retro-reflective stripes, MSA gives the ultimate experience in hard hat customization. Number 3. Jackson Safety 20903 Safety Helmet. Style. Modern lightweight climbing-inspired industrial hard hat includes comfortable and convenient chin strap with molded chin cup for security and stability. Features. Molded from high-density polyethylene material, offers excellent head protection. Non-vented hard hat is tested up to 20 kV of electrical protection. Customized fit. Smooth, rapid dial, 6-point ratchet suspension allows user to customize height and fit. Fits head sizes 6'1" to 8". Jackson Accessories. Accessory slots allow the use of multiple hard hat accessories, including the Jackson exclusive hard hat interchange system, HIs, that lets you easily add, remove or switch accessories without removing your hard hat. Safety certifications. Ideal for height and scaffolding work in construction, manufacturing, utilities, and any trade that requires general head protection. Meets ANSI 99.1, Type 1, Class E and N397 standards. Number 2. Klein Tools 60516 Safety Helmet. Klein Tools premium carbon safety helmets are engineered for optimal safety, comfort, and fit. Compact helmet design and unique features allow the user to comfortably work in confined spaces and a variety of demanding environments. Large adjustable vents for maximum airflow control in hot or cold weather. Stylish, modern, durable hydro-dipped carbon pattern polymer film on PC/ABS composite. Breathable, padded sweat. Wicking sweatband and top pad improve comfort. Patent pending accessory mounts on front and back ensure Klein headlamps and accessories attached securely. Number 1. 3M X5000 Safety Helmet. Comfort without compromise. Our proprietary design to our industry-leading innovations, the 3M SecureFit safety helmet is engineered with workers in mind. The result is a revolutionary helmet design that delivers comfort without compromise. Pressure diffusion technology. Patented technology reduces forehead pressure by 20% on average compared to 3M conventional helmets. 6-point ratchet suspension. Allows wearer to customize height and fit. Meets ANSI safety compliance standards. 3M SecureFit safety helmet meets the performance requirements of ANSI 99.1. Customize. Tailor your 3M SecureFit safety helmet with our line of accessories including 3M short visor, 3M U5B face shield holder, reflective kit, replacement chin straps, sweatbands, and replacement suspension systems and straps.